Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set an alarm on the journal application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. And actually, if you want to set an alarm, just go to the lower bar, click to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the home screen, and in the tools section you can find the alarm option under the change language. Click that and you can select the alarm sound, the volume, and you can enable the vibration. So, and here you can set that, and that's it. You can select different sounds. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.